Hey there, Scott Archibald here from the Beauceron Security Marketing Team, and I want to talk to you today about one of our newest features, the Beauceron Analyst. So here at Beauceron Security, we're all pretty excited about this new feature, and we think you will be too, especially if your security team sees a massive number of reported emails. So let's have a look. The way our platform works now, without the analyst, when a user reports a suspicious email through phish forwarding, our platform checks to see if it's one of our simulations, and if it is, the user gets rewarded. If it isn't one of ours, it gets forwarded to your security team for further analysis. And this is where the analyst comes in. When the analyst feature is turned on, our platform performs additional analysis on the emails that are not ours before sending them off to your security team. Drawing in threat data from external sources, the analyst scores emails based on email metadata and determines if the emails in question are just obvious spam or if they really deserve further scrutiny. And only the ones that deserve to be analyzed further will be sent to the phish forward target address. The service eliminates the clutter of spam, and the things that really do need attention don't get lost. Getting started is easy. Once the feature has been turned on in your tenant, you'll simply navigate to the system configuration page and click on the Emails tab. Once you're on the Emails page, just look down for the Enable Phish Analysis button and turn it on. So again, the analyst essentially eliminates the clutter of potential spam and duplicated messages by forwarding only the emails that need to be analyzed. And one of the nice things is that you can easily customize the filtering rules to best suit your risk tolerance. We like to think of it as just set it and forget it. We do offer a recommended sensitivity setting, but you can easily adjust the threshold to customize the strictness of the analyst to your preferences. And anything below that threshold will continue to be forwarded to your team for further analysis. By enabling the auto reward function, you reward users for identifying real threats, which positively reinforces training, increases reporting confidence, and most importantly, decreases the risk to your organization. Once Analyst is activated, you'll see that the phish forward report is slightly modified. Instead of showing individual messages, the report will now start grouping messages based on the subject and who they're from. The reporting within the analyst gives you better insight into the volume of different attacks and quickly draws your attention to the emails that pose the greatest risk to your organization. Out of the box, Beauceron Analyst does run with a number of preset rules, but you will have the ability to configure your own rules. In the phish analysis rules section, you can edit, add, and customize rules. Let's have a quick look at Add Custom Rule to give you an idea how it works. So if you click Add Custom Rule, it takes you to a pop-up that looks like this. Now the first thing you want to do is give your custom rule a name. Then select where your rule will be applied, either the header or the body of the email. Now for the purpose of this demo, I've selected header. Then you'll give the header a name, and then you'll enter the string of text here in the match string box. And then you'll apply a score for your custom rule. And this score will either be added or subtracted from the initial score as determined by the phish analysis sensitivity. So continue with this example. Let's say you created a rule that contains the word win in the subject of your header, and you apply a score of 5 to this rule. And let's assume your organization has selected the recommended phish analysis sensitivity, which is 0.002. When a user reports an email, the analyst will check to see if the word win is in the header. When it sees the word win, the analyst will add an additional score of 5 to the 0.002 for a total of 5.002, meaning that the email is likely malicious. The user would be rewarded, and the email would not be forwarded to the phish forward target address. Now, in the case where the custom rule may have been set to a -5, then the email would be forwarded for further analysis. So this has been a real brief introduction and demo for our newest feature, Beauceron Analyst. And I thank you for taking the time to join me today. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to our customer success or sales teams. Thank you.